Hi, my name is Ariana Burkholder. I'm from Auburn, California in the United States. I wanted to see if there was any possible way that cell phones could always have reception, which led me up to my topic title, What are the effects of geomagnetic storms in the ionosphere on cell phone reception? While conducting my experiment and looking up research, some interesting facts came along, some being a geomagnetic storm would form once every 27 days, cell phone reception could travel up to 45 miles per hour, and most geomagnetic storms are unnoticeable, but some could affect objects with reception with its magnetic waves. This last fact led me up to my hypothesis. My hypothesis being that geomagnetic storms in the ionosphere would affect cell phone reception. While conducting my experiment, this involved measuring how large a geomagnetic storm could possibly get, and then seeing how high a cell phone's frequency could possibly handle, and then taking the magnetic waves from the storm, and I would see if they were over the limit that the frequencies that the cell phone could handle. As I stated in my hypothesis, I believe that geomagnetic storms would affect cell phone reception. The experimental data support my hypothesis, indicating that it should be accepted. The information gained from my project could be used by geologists to know when to expect a storm and how to let people know before the storm hits. A question raised while conducting my experiment is if it was possible to make a small machine in the phone that, when activated, will absorb frequencies that are too high for the phone to handle, then store the frequencies for when the phone has low reception. If I were to do this experiment again, I would test if geomagnetic storms would mostly form in the same areas. If so, I would figure out why, and if not, then I would see where they would most likely form. I would like to thank my mom for finding a good website for me to conduct my experiments. I would also like to thank you for listening.